The wall is back here, pointing in the right direction. So it's not the wall. The dock is over here, and that's not an issue. The closest other wall, because we have them from other units, is over here, pointing that way, around the corner, so it's not that. But it can't go anywhere without just spinning on that little circle. So instead of doing my whole house, which it's supposed to, walking down the hallway here, which it has done many times, to here where it stops, into the bathroom where it puts this rug a mess, and then it comes down here. This doorway is always blocked by this chair, down to here where the last wall is, here, going across. And you can see the mark on the carpet where it gets to, or where the past ones have been, but it's not going anywhere except for these bloody little circles. So there's something definitely wrong with my Roomba, because it's not supposed to do that, and I know that because I've had one for years and years and years. This is a new unit, and I'm not impressed.